How to predict period, block and group of element. First, for the prediction of period, we can say principal quantum number of valence shell. Second, for the prediction of block, the type of orbital that receives last electron and for the prediction of group can be predicted as below. First for S block, number of valence shell electrons, number of electrons present in valence shell, or simply we say number of valence shell electrons. Now for P block, 10 plus number of valence shell electron. And for D block, electrons present in n-1d subshell plus electrons present in nth cell. So this is the way by which we can predict period, block and group of elements. Taking this example, we can predict the period, group and block of the given element. Here in the example it is given, write the electronic configuration of the elements given below. Element A, atomic number Z is equal to 9. Element B, atomic number Z is equal to 12. C, Z is equal to 29. D, Z is equal to 54. And element E, atomic number Z is equal to 58. We have to predict the period, group and block to which they belong. Also classify them as representative elements, noble gases, transition and inner transition elements. First we will understand for element A. Element A has atomic number Z is equal to 9. Element A, atomic number, it is 9. So electronic configuration of element A is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So there are 2 electrons in 1s orbital, 2 electrons in 2s orbital and 5 electrons in 2p orbital. First we will understand period number is equal to principal quantum number of valence shell. As here in this case, we have principal quantum number 2. So period number is equal to 2. So element A will be in period number 2. Now, last electron received, last electron is received in 2p orbital. So these elements belong to P block. Now we have to decide its group number. Since the element belong to P block, we can decide the group number is equal to 10 plus electrons in valence shell. Therefore, 10 plus electrons in valence shell, total 7. So it is equal to 17. So we can say that element A is present in group number 17. Also it belongs to P block. That is why we can say element A is representative element. Element A is representative element. So this is for element A group number, period number, and it is representative elements. Now second number element, element B. Z is equal to 12, atomic number 12. Electronic configuration of element B with atomic number Z is equal to 12, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2. Here we can see that the last electron is received by 3s orbital. So the element B belongs to S block, since last electron is received by 3s orbital. Also, principal quantum number of valence shell, principal quantum number of valence shell, n is equal to 3. Therefore, period of the element B is 3. Period number is equal to 3. And now, as it is S block elements, we can find group is equal to, group number is equal to number of valence electron. Number of valence electron. Here 2 electrons are present in the valence shell. That is why it must be present in group number 2. Also 3s is the last orbital or valence orbital. So we can say that it is representative element. Representative element. So for B, we can decide group, period, as well as whether it is belong to representative or what. So we can decide everything. For element C, atomic number Z is equal to 29. So its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d10. But because of the arrangement, it is taken as 4s1, 3d10. Once more, Z is equal to 29. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d10 electrons. So in 3D we have 10 electrons and in 4s1 electron because of the stability of d10 orbital. Now, after writing the electronic configuration, first it belongs to D block because the last electron is added to 3D orbital. Now, group number group number is equal to electrons in n minus 1 d subcell plus electron in valence cell. Therefore, n minus 1 d subcell, it has 10 electrons plus electron in valence cell is equal to 1. So total there are 11 electrons. So group number will be 11. Group number of element C will be 11. And now period is equal to principal quantum number of valence cell. Here, principal quantum number of valence cell n is equal to 4. So we can say element C is present in period number 4, group number 11, and it belongs to D block and it is transition element. For element D, Z is equal to 54. Atomic number Z is equal to 54. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. Now 4p6, 4d10 and 5s2, 5p6. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 4d10, 5s2 and 5p6. So group number is equal to valence electron plus 10 because the last electron is added to p. Therefore, 10 plus valence electron, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. 10 plus this 6 plus 2 electron, that is 18. So group number 18. Element D belongs to group number 18. Now period number. Period number is equal to principal quantum number of valence cell. Here it is 5. So we can say this element D belongs to period number 5 and there are 8 electrons present. That is why electronic configuration is completed for S and P. So this element belongs to 18 group, or we can say noble gas. So element D, group number 18, period number 5, and it belongs to P block because of 5p orbital and belongs to 18 group, that is noble gas also. Right? Now, for element E, Z is equal to 58. So electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 4d10, 5s2, 5p6. Now we have 6, 5 and 4 orbital, that is 6s, 5p and 4f orbital. 6s contain 2 electron, 5p contains 1 electron and 4f contains 1 electron. Now this is not P but it is D. Once more, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 4b10, 5s2, 5p6, 6s2, 5d1 and 4f1. So total 58 electrons are present. Now, as this element, last electron is received by 4f orbital, last electron is received by 4f orbital, so this belongs to F block. F block element, that is, we can say inner transition element. Actually, there is no group decided because it belongs to lanthanide series. So generally it doesn't occupy any group, but it is considered to lie in third group. Now period number. Period number is equal to principal quantum number of valence shell. Here it is 6. So we can say that element E is in period number 6 and generally third group, and it is inner transition element.